Maintaining the pristine condition of your car is not just about aesthetics, it also contributes to the overall value of your vehicle. Explore the benefits of paintless dent repair and understand how it can elevate both the appearance and value of your car. 1. Preserve original paint. Opting for paintless dent repair allows you to keep your car's original paint finish intact, avoiding the need for repainting and ensuring the vehicle's authenticity. PDR allows you to fix dents while preserving the factory paint's color and texture, resulting in a flawless and smooth finish. 2. Cost-effective solution. Paintless dent repair is a cost-effective alternative to traditional dent repair methods, saving you money on expensive repainting and color matching processes. Choosing PDR not only reduces repair costs, but also provides an efficient solution that doesn't compromise the quality of the repair. 3. Time-efficient process. PDR typically requires less time than conventional dent repair, allowing you to have your car back on the road promptly. The streamlined process of paintless dent repair ensures quicker turnaround times, making it a convenient option for busy car owners. 4. Maintains resale value. Addressing dents promptly with PDR helps preserve the resale value of your car, presenting a well-maintained exterior to potential buyers. Buyers often appreciate vehicles with an undamaged exterior, and maintaining your car's resale value becomes more achievable with PDR. 5. Seamless finish. Achieve a seamless and smooth finish with paintless dent repair, eliminating visible signs of dents and enhancing the overall appearance of your vehicle. The meticulous nature of PDR ensures that your car's exterior looks flawless, providing a polished and attractive finish. By choosing paintless dent repair, you not only enhance your car's appearance, but also invest in a cost-effective and efficient solution that adds value to your vehicle. Preserve the beauty and resale potential of your car with this innovative and reliable dent repair method. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-25-15338. That's 208-25-15338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstaterepair.com.